Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the Shark HD430 FlexStyle Air Styling Amp Drying System. If you're looking for a powerful hair dryer brush and multi-styler that can do it all, this is the tool for you. With the Shark FlexStyle, you can easily transform the powerful hair dryer into a versatile multi-styler. Whether you want to curl, volumize, smooth, or dry your hair, this all-in-one tool has got you covered. It's perfect for any hair type, whether straight, wavy, curly, or coily. Any of the standout features of the Shark FlexStyle is its 1.25 quat auto wrap curlers, which use Conda technology to wrap, curl, and set your hair automatically. And the best part? It does all this while minimizing heat exposure and regulating temperatures to prevent heat damage. The Shark FlexStyle is not only powerful and fast drying, but it's also lightweight and compact, making it perfect for on-the-go styling. Plus, with its 8-foot cord, you'll have plenty of freedom to move around as you style your hair. So, if you're ready to take your hair styling game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Shark HD430 FlexStyle Air Styling Amp Drying System. You can find the link to purchase this amazing tool in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to achieve salon-quality results at home. Subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.